Namaskar dosto. Ja, Farsi Safid Hindu Ladki hai. So, what do I think of the Christella Voice app? Now I've been using it for a month. Is it worth the cost? Well, I have to say yes. I paid for all 3 sections and I'm glad I did. The app is ideal for me when I'm commuting in my car. I just listen and repeat. Sure, isn't that how we all learn to speak in the first place? The app also gives me notifications on my phone with vocal hints and tips. It could use more of these if I'm honest. The progression is good, but at only 3 sections it could do with more. Maybe 5 would be better. Having said that, there are supplemental lessons, 2 for each section, so that helps too. All in all, I'm very happy with the app. As you can hear, I still have a way to go, but it's definitely put me on the right track. So, thank you, Christella G. I would definitely recommend the app. If you're willing to put the work in, there are no shortcuts. You get out what you put in. Try the demo version yourself and see if it's for you before you buy. I'll leave a link in the description. All the sections, cost-wise, came to less than the cost of 1 session with a voice therapist in real life. So drop me a comment, say what you think about it. And if you've any ideas for other videos, or anything you'd like to see, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Dhanyavad. I love you. Bye-bye.